Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on flipping or mirroring your clips on iMovie for Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by dragging your clip into the timeline. Once it's in the timeline, click it to select it. You'll know when it's selected because there will be a yellow box around it. When it's selected, click the filter button, which looks like 3 overlapping circles up in the editing toolbar. For some reason, flipping is not a normal option like you'd expect, it's a filter. A pop-up will appear for you to choose a filter. The second option is flipped, click that. And just like that, your selected clip will be mirrored. As you can see, the clip before had the pig on the left of the screen. And with the flip filter applied, it's now on the right side. Your clip has now been mirrored. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iMovie tips and tricks.